growing from 1 connect in LinkedIn to 700 connect in just 40 days. What an amazing journey with Ashish. Hi, I'm Vikrant Deore, working in Mahindra and Mahindra. I came to know about this workshop from Instagram and I immediately grabbed this opportunity to work with Mr. Ashish Narayan for growing my LinkedIn profile professionally. And I'm really very happy to tell you that this program is really made for them who want to make their existence on the LinkedIn, who want to grow their LinkedIn profile professionally, and who want to learn a lot of things about their domain. Maybe it is accounts, maybe it is banking, maybe it is technical, maybe it's automobile. All the fields are available, and you people can take a good advantage of this particular course. And this course has given a lot of insights and a lot of tools I have learned, and with this I am able to now use LinkedIn very efficiently and able to make use of a lot of trainings and a lot of good stuffs on the LinkedIn. And I request all you also to join this course now. Thank you.